Alrighty. The question asks, determine the ratio of the electrostatic force to the gravitational force. That's force electrostatic to force gravitational between a proton and an electron. And they actually write it out for me, Fe over Fg. Okay. So that's going to equal, well, how do we calculate an electrostatic force? That's equal to K times Q of a proton times Q of an electron divided by d squared. And you might say, wait a minute, they didn't tell us d. Well, hang on. Now, force due to gravity is the gravitational constant times the mass of the proton times the mass of the electron divided by, oh look, d squared. So the d that they didn't tell us divides out, so it doesn't matter. So this is equal to K, so that's 8.99 times 10 to the 9th, times the charge of a proton times the charge of an electron. Well, they're the same, so 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 squared, divided by the universal gravitational constant, which is 6.672 times 10 to the negative 11, times the mass of a proton, which is 1.672 times 10 to the negative 27 kilograms, times the mass of an electron, which is 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms. So you shove all this in your calculator, and out comes 2.266 times 10 to the 39th. And even though this would round to 2.27, the only good answer there is D.